So machine learning is mathematically able to classify by learning the whatever the incoming data it is coming, it will be label it. Yes or no? So normally we'll be able to keep a one uniform to you to visit the college. If the person who is coming without uniform will be classify him as birthday boy, some category, right? He is not a casual person. He is little different on that particular day. Security, he's having his own info. He is different from the student. Even commercial vehicles like yellow plate car drivers used to keep a little shirt is different, right? It's a rule where driver is different from the passengers. Yes, sir. These are all we can classify such a way that some problems are going to be reduced. That's what you are learning many things, many algorithms from the industry perspective. Right. Right. So ML, machine learning algorithms are programmed to learn from the labeled data to create rules. It can be a fuzzy logic rule. It can be, neural networks rules. It can be other machine learning supervised rules or maybe unsupervised rules. There are a lot of algorithms here. When we talk about down level, for the algorithm level, then you will get to know what is the rules and how they would be created in order to create this mails to the other mails. Clear? Yeah. Yeah. So legacy scenario in e-commerce applications. So far we have seen mails related problems. If you take a e-commerce application like Flipkart, Amazon, what set of problems they are facing now? Now, like we are buying the products from the online. Obviously, how can I improve the sales of my company? This is my question. Now you tell me, we are 4 people. Clear? From which account you used to buy the more products? Can you tell me? Amazon. You? Misho.
On which category?
No, any products, most probably Amazon only, right? Even I too also Amazon. Out of 4, 1 is from, what is that? Amazon, right? Yes, 4 out of 4 we are. What about Snapdeal? What about Myntra? What about Paytm? What about Flipkart? Even Paytm also provides the e-commerce. We can buy the products, right? Correct. See, if everybody, why we have attracted towards the Amazon? Are they giving any delivery free or what? Then why you are only, something? If you want to buy electronic products from the Amazon, it's a very bitter experience. It's worst. 3 times I booked a LCD display. 3 times second-hand monitor they sent me. Then I get to know, I understand that Amazon is not a right e-commerce application to buy the electronics product. Some products are good, but some products are not. That gives the experience. Then now, if Flipkart company want have a less number of customers, they might have an idea that how to improve my sales, how to attract the more number of customers. Why only Amazon people are attracting? Why only Alibaba people are going to buy the product? Why not? They have a question or not? Who is going to solve their questions? Data analyst, machine learning engineer, you guys are going to solve their problems. Right. Now, question is that there is a one project manager, there will be a one sales manager in the company. They used to conduct a meeting like, day to day our sales are getting reduced, what should I do? Where went wrong? Why the customers are not buying? See, when compared with Idea Phone, Idea, Jio and Airtel, to which network no less number of customers are there? Idea, right? Why Idea? BSNL you have forgot. BSNL has, least customers. Why? Now little increasing because they have given some offers that, 2 years of Wi-Fi data is free, like some kind of things, right? But what about past 20 years I'm talking about?
Yes.
There are no proper towers exist in the market. In remote areas, there is no signals over there. Yes or no? Sales day to day, BSNL employees, they are unable to give the salary because, they are not able to sell their product. Yes or no? It's a government organization. Yes or no? Now, how to improve it? Lot of discussions we'll discuss, a lot of things we are going to do, but still our sales are not increasing. Absolutely. Now, a senior manager in meeting, certain key notices are observed that they have a huge data is stored about the customers in the database. But are you using the data to know the hidden knowledge out of it? Sometimes no. Yes or no? ఇప్పుడు గుడికి రోజు మనం వెళ్తాం. ఒక రోజు వచ్చేప్పుడు బాంబు పెట్టిపోతాడు. ఎస్ సార్ రోజు వచ్చే కస్టమర్ ఫేసెస్ ఉంటాయి. We are storing into database or not. We are using surveillance camera means we are storing that complete data into the surveillance in the database. Are you really using that particular data to know who have kept a bomb over there? But simple గా బతుకమ్మ రోజు బాంబు పెట్టడం చాలా ఈజీ. అందరు ప్లేట్లో పువ్వులు తీసుకొని వస్తారు. అందులో ఎందులో బాంబు ఉందో ఏంటో మనకి ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది? ఆ రోజు అందరూ మేకప్ చేసుకుంటారు. అసలు ప్లాస్టిక్ సర్జరీ కూడా గుర్తులేదు ఎప్పుడు. అవునా కదా? అసలు ఎవరు
Oh,
వస్తున్నారు? Now the point is that you are storing huge amount of data as part of the database. Are you really using it for the further notices? No. చాలా మట్టుకు ఉంటాయి ఇట్లా. Even they know something called as what is called demand. You know demand? Have you visited demand?
yeah,
90% people uh, below poverty level people, a little middle level people, definitely we use demand because those prices are affordable for us. Have you visited lifestyle in Hyderabad?
yeah,
We visit. I think I'm not a rich person. I haven't visited, but I visited once. For a friend. If you take a one T-shirt outside for 500, there it will be 5,000. Yes or
yeah,
no? See
yes, yes,
why? If you look at very closely, the same what is that USA polo shirt outside people are selling for 1,000 rupees, but there minimum 5,000 rupees. You have to. Why like that? You never noticed. I noticed. If you look at certain cars or certain things, same materials you see in the Begum Bazaar, 90% of the price will be different. You cannot believe.
yes,
Then you will get to know that we have to do the data analysis such a way that you will get lot of notices. Lot of notices. In your personal life. See, let's suppose we are doing a data analysis or not. Kalki movie has released. What is
yeah,
the rating of Kalki movie? Maybe I can give one. There is no role of Prabhas. He is Joker actually, as per my knowledge. How you are summarizing rating? It's data analysis. Very clearly. People used to give comment. Oh, Kalki is excellent. Kalki is worst. Kalki is bad. Kalki is acha nahi. Kuch, Hindi, English, Tamil, Urdu. Many people used to give in multi languages. You have to
yeah,
accumulate all these statements set together. Bad, good, worst, or neutral. You classify three categories because again, machine learning techniques will come into picture. Adjectives are there, right? Good, bad, all these.
yes,
It will take positive adjectives, negative adjectives, neutral adjectives. Obviously, for which adjective number of frequency of words more, definitely it will be it's a probability we can say. This is how the rating is going to be accumulated. It's a text summarization concept. Right. So guys, I'm just telling you different areas where algorithms are mandatory to apply. Already applied, we are using it, we are seeing their results, and we are enjoying also. So now, see, whenever we become a customer to the one e-commerce application, these many details are going to be stored. Product details, isn't it? And product related details, their physical details, customer details, all ID number, our photo, address, phone numbers, and customer searching patterns. Means customer will search certain products, they will be added to the cart, Sometimes they'll remove from the cart, with which will be get to know that people like the product because of there is no bonus, there is no credit card promotion, promo card are giving. Therefore, we have removed it again. Your pattern is going to be observed or not, like that, So transactional details. A customer who is making 10,000 per month is going to be an important customer for the e-commerce people. They would be always send a promo code that for you only 30% of bonus will be there if you buy the product like that. Yes or no? For rest of the people who buy only 500, 600 rupees product, they won't send such kind of messages to you. Like that, tracking the details, isn't it? So there is a winter. Obviously, sweaters we are going to buy or not, they'll recommend accordingly. Right? What I'm saying is that if there are no machine learning algorithms, per a minute, millions and trillions of people are buying the products. How a human can able to remember who is buying what product? Can you observe? You are at a airport. You are a security guard. ఒక డేలో ఎన్ని ఫ్లైట్స్ వచ్చినా, ఎన్ని ఫ్లైట్స్ ల్యాండ్ ఆఫ్ అయినా, ఎన్ని ఫ్లైట్స్ ఫ్లై అయినాయి నువ్వు చెప్పగలుగుతావు? నువ్వు ఎయిర్పోర్ట్లోనే కదా పనిచేస్తున్నావు. నో. So human capabilities are not sufficient. Therefore, we do require mathematical algorithms where million, trillion, or maybe terabytes of data can be generated. Just like that, they would be understand the patterns and uses and logs of the people, with which the historical data will be analyzed. Future decisions are going to be predicted, anticipated, forecasted. Things would be go right. Yes or no? Clear. Yeah, you can go. So the class timing will be the same. This class is data science and ML. If you would like to join for the course, the class need to be come at 6 o'clock every day. Yes. So tomorrow we'll catch. I'll be send the data. I have your data. You are not fit for Salesforce if you are a fresher. Yeah. Being a fresher, you're supposed to take. Right. So now the point is that here, if you don't analyze this entire the details about customer, products, transactions, tracking, all this, probably you cannot improve the sales. So therefore, let's see how unused data can be used for the right stakeholder. Stakeholder is nothing but everybody stakeholder. You are a buyer. I'm a seller. Seller wanted to make more products because people are buying the same products more and more. Even being a customer, we must know which product is selling more and more. That if the people are worldwide taking more products for a similar product, which means the product quality is good, that therefore people are buying or not. That's a blindly we are going to be take it as a consideration, and then we are going to prefer that particular product. So stakeholder, if you wanted to main the intelligence, both the people are important over here. Clear? So your intelligence is improving because of data analysis. Clear? Yes. Now, there is a girl related purchasing history is there. Past 5 years, you are the customer of the Amazon. You are some recommendation system, like your chart, your clicks, everything is going to be, your searching patterns are going to be maintained by the particular software, right? Products which you have added to cart, which you have removed from the cart, will also be observed. And you are from which address? So let's suppose you are at a Patancheru. The products which you are purchasing from the Patancheru, the products which are buying from the Gachibowli, are they different or not? Because the people who are staying in financial district or Gachibowli or high-tech city, the people who is staying in a Patancheru, definitely 90% their poverty level will be low. People are going to be there. How can you expect that the 5,000 US polo shirt is going to purchase by the Miapur or maybe Patancheru people? That's what marketing is going to happen, Instagram promotions and all, region based, they will be visible to you. Yes or no? Because you are specified in the Instagram that I am from so and so area, I am from so and so pin number, I am from so and so age group. Based on these patterns, I am going to promote the product such a way that you guys will look. These are all, done with only scientifically machine learning and data science only by writing a programs. మనం అన్ని యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఆల్రెడీ. కానీ దాని వెనకాల ఈ అల్గారిథమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఈ డేటా సైన్స్, ఈ పైథాన్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయని మనం నోటీస్ చేయమంది. యూట్యూబ్లో ఏదైనా ఒక్కటి ఈ రోజు నువ్వు జబర్దస్త్ వీడియో చూడు, మరుసటి రోజు మొత్తం అవే కనిపిస్తాయి నీకు. ద సిస్టమ్ ఈజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ యువర్ లైక్స్ అండ్ డిస్లైక్స్, అకార్డింగ్లీ ద రికమెండేషన్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ప్రమోటెడ్ ఫర్ యూ. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? So that's all, these are all are going to be projects for you. Clear. Then obviously, if the girl is going to be look at, what shoes are very famous, girls, which shoes are going to be used more and more? General కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఏమంటారు వాటిని? Tell me. I'm not going to buy, rich. I'm not a rich person. I don't know brands. Anyone can be taken. Okay. See, somebody, nowadays you might be seen. If a person who likes a Apple phone will also buy only Mac, sir, no, will also buy similar kind of products because they wanted to have a
Premium
exposed.
brands.
Absolutely. Correct. Right? So if the shoe are going to belonging to one company, similar company socks also they would be able to take. Because, somebody nowadays, girls especially, they will be show their what is called brand. Earlier, you used to keep a jeans pant till last, right? Now, especially from the bottom, one feet pant will be up because their socks need to be shown, their shoes brand need to be shown to the people. Yes or no? See,
Yes.
that I'm just telling you why the people are wearing the dresses like that nowadays. Earlier, if you look at only who is going to give the shirt for this, they only keep a one particular that one. What we can call tag. That who is this? Who have made this? Now for every shirt, for every T-shirt, they are giving tag that this is belonging to so-and-so product. Yes or no? People
Yes.
are habituated already. Therefore, the machine learning and data science is, becoming very popular because people are following the brands, patterns. If you are buying the same brand, your sister also buying the same because you are both sisters and brothers, right? Your father is rich. Yes or no? So it will be spread to the n number of levels. Recommended products. Who is recommending these products? Because of algorithm. Because this girl is purchasing those shoes frequently, socks are going to be shown to her. And if chappals are there belonging to the same shoes, chappals also recommended to that. It will be shown you whenever you are launching to in e-commerce application, similar product is to be shown as advertisement. You will be click on it. Yes or no? Then obviously the subsequent recommendation will be shown in the bottom. Similar products belong to same company. Then, great. Now, similarly, the same girl will be, belonging to Kashmir. Obviously, there will be more, climate condition is different. They will be recommended sweaters, all this. But the people who are staying in Rayalaseema, Rayalaseema, Tirupati,
Yeah.
in this season also there is, sweat will come.
Yes.
The huge rain, right? They're actually sweat will come because the temperature is more and more. For such a people, how can you recommend sweaters? No, because based on the region, based on the people, based on the climate conditions, temperatures, they would be recommend like that. All these things throughout the world, who is remembering? How can we recommend a human? So computer machine learning algorithms can recommend them very nicely. Millions, trillions of people based on their usage. Are you clear? This is more,
Yes, sir. Is there any connection between, like, if we search something like cars and something on Google Chrome, probably Instagram and in Facebook, that particular ads, like if I searching
Hmm,
for some courses in
hmm,
Instagram, I use it to found like so many institutions
hmm.
advertisements.
Correct. Yeah, they are also obviously Instagram and Facebook highly uses this particular machine learning algorithms. Google search engine. Many are using these algorithms only. Therefore, they are able to understand the nature of the people, what kind of links they are searching for, isn't it? It's a behavior pattern, we can say. That pattern is recognized, then it will be recommended similar products to you because there is an algorithm which exists. Yes or no? Great. Okay. Yes. Recommended associate products. Now this ML still now we have seen like case studies, but machine learning, how exactly it will be do that? Firstly, individual customer related data has to be analyzed because these are all those mobiles. Those are mobiles. Everybody, what kind of product they are looking at a product will be noted as training data. What does it mean? Means firstly, your algorithm has to be trained with the behavior of the patterns. Every individual man is going to be purchasing what type of products, what kind of links, what kind of clicks, what kind of websites you are searching for. All these will be trained by the robot, which is the machine learning algorithm. Yes or no? Once it is trained, for the next time, whenever you are going to search a new item based on your historical patterns, this item is belonging to them are not going to be checked, cross-verified. Well, tested with that. The machine will learns from the customer data as a clustering. Cluster means what? Similar products will be belonging to one particular cluster. Yes or no? Together, based on which it recommends the product to the customers. Obviously, if you buy, iPhone 6 or iPhone 7, if in case in the future iPhone 8 will come, then based on your historical purchasing pattern, it will be recommend to you that iPhone 7, 8 have come. Yes or no? Back covers will come.
Yes. Yes.
Charges will come.
Series.
Wireless charges will come. Yes or no? So
Yes.
this
Yes.
this scenario, we are going to make it as a one mathematical algorithm. We are talking abstract level of thinking. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, let me show you how machine learning scientifically does this particular task. Still now, generally we have spoken about. Now, what machine learning algorithm features? What is the best features for the machine learning algorithms? Why they are going to become a popular more and more? Why the people are learning more and more? What are the features are there for the machine learning algorithms? Let us show one thing. Just read that particular sentence.
It uses the data to detect patterns in a data set and adjust program actions accordingly.
Absolutely. For everything, we need a historical data. If there is no historical data, obviously we cannot do the data analysis. We cannot observe the patterns of the behavior of the people. Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
the program is like, human brain. Yes or no? If there is a snake, what he will do? Either run away or he will
Yeah.
kill that, or
Yes.
else, whatever the behavior you have, similarly, algorithm also adjusts its mentality accordingly. If it is a robo, even if the snake is going to bite, nothing would happen, right? What robo will do? It will be straight go and it will be kill it. But human will take many decisions. We'll run away or we can kill. Otherwise, we'll call someone else. There is a snake. There are a lot of decisions that we are going to take. Means inside our brain, there are mathematically or emotional feelings. Accordingly, our decisions will take, right? Here also, the algorithm is also changed, adjust the program accordingly. There
Yes.
is a driverless car, right? Yesterday, the road was good. Today, there is some repair is going on. Human can see that and we can observe. Ah, right, we have to take a left diversion or right diversion. What about driverless car? 5 kilometers before only it is able to see that particular dig through the satellite. It will be noted already. Every second, the satellite is going to note our path. What new flyers are building and what are the new roads are building. Till yesterday, there was no route. If the flyover will be opened, it will be already recorded into the graph. It will be recorded into the algorithm and it will be shown into a Google Map. It's very dynamic.
Yes.
Absolutely, absolutely. So machine learning has the ability to analyze the data. If new data will come, it will be able to change the pattern. It will recommend that this data is very new for you. Let's suppose your brain has certain virus. See, even though everybody has certain viruses. If cancer tumor will come into your brain, it will be detected because the symptoms of that particular molecule will be different characteristics than your body, right? Just like that, it will tell you.
Yes.
See, there is a Google is going to release one app. If you take the scan of your body, apply 60, 70 features of your body to the app, next 50 years, what tablet you need to use, what diseases will come to your body, what diabetes will come, what BP will come, what sugar will come, everything will be 99% strongly recommending that based on your historical data. After 5 months, again, if you upload the data, it will tell you some recommendations. Your platelets are going down. It will recommend. Accordingly, you have to take a treatment. Clear? If once you record with a phone number to the Google, every 5 months it will be give you the recommendation. You might have so and so problem, you take a tablet probably. Your BP is increasing, you take a, you have a low BP, you check whether you treatment. Like that, it will give you even tablets also recommended for you. You need not to visit hospital. Next, within 5 to 10 years, you see, doctors are going to become useless people. Real, I'm saying. Please recommend your family members not to become MBBS or MD doctors because they won't work. Nobody will visit the hospitals. Clear? Because Google is giving best. Are you not believing Google Map? 100% we believe, yes or no? Probably 1-2% it will also give you the wrong path sometime. But even tablets also like that. Do you think the doctor, whichever his prescription is giving, is that correct? Then why you are revisiting again and again? Obviously, it's a trial and error method. But system will not do like that. Understand that. Right. The machine learning algorithms will focus us on development of computer programs that can teach themselves to grow and change when exposed to the new data. This is a valid point. See, let's suppose I'll ask one question. तेरा नाम क्या है? అంటే ఏంటి? నీ పేరేంటి? तुझे नाव काय?
Yes.
ఏమైనా డిఫరెన్స్ అనిపించిందా? వీడు నా పేరు అడుగుతున్నాను అనిపిస్తుందా లేదా?
Yeah.
నావ్ काय అనేది మరాఠీ. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? తేరా నావ్ काय
Yeah.
అనేది హిందీ. ఇంకా ఉర్దూ కూడా ఆల్మోస్ట్ అదే ఉంటుంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? అంటే నీకు ఒకటి
Yes.
వస్తే ఆ మిగతా లాంగ్వేజ్లు రాకపోయినా ఆ సౌండ్ ని బట్టి నువ్వు ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తున్నావు. ఈవెన్ సిస్టమ్ ఈస్ మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ algorithms ఆల్సో లెర్న్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్? Great. You have to understand that. Third feature for the machine learning is it enables the computer to find hidden insights using iterative algorithms. There will be algorithms have been classified like supervised, unsupervised, and many more. Ensemble, predictable, prescriptive, a lot of algorithms we are going to learn as part of the data science and machine learning. So that, I'll tell you, being a human, you will be going in a one way today. First time, whenever you go in one way, you will see there is a hospital, there is a school, there is a, beauty parlor, there is a restaurant. Okay, these four very major landmarks you are going to remember. In the same road, tomorrow you will go. Some more things you are going to learn or not. Every day, if you go in the same route, I think you can able to learn much more better than for the first time or second time you will go. Yes or no? The way how human is able to learning the things day to day, the same process is called as an iteration process. Even if the machine learning algorithms is built and if you keeping in a driverless car also will have to go learn in the same similar way how the human is going to learn. మనిషికి మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ అల్గారిథమ్స్ పెద్ద తేడా లేదు. ఇంకా మనిషి మర్చిపోతాడు. ఒక 20 years బ్యాక్ వచ్చిన మనిషి ఇప్పుడు హైదరాబాద్కి వస్తే ఈ ఫ్లైఓవర్స్ ఈ రూట్లు ఎక్కడ యూటర్న్ తీసుకోవాలి ఏం కావాలి మొత్తం చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది. దే కెన్ నాట్ డిటెక్ట్ ఎనీమోర్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? బట్ algorithms are not like that. It will be very dynamically learn the things from the experience. That's a part of the machine learning capacity. మనిషి ఎలాగైతే నేర్చుకుంటే అలాగని హ్యూమన్ అది కూడా ప్రోగ్రామ్ అలా నేర్చుకుంటుంది. ఇట్స్ అ డైనమిక్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ వీ కెన్ సే. Machine learning is a one kind of a method of data analysis. It automates the analytical model building. For example, being a manual testing engineer, ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ని మాన్యువల్గా టెస్ట్ చేస్తాడు. ఇంకొక ప్రోడక్ట్ని డెవలప్ చేసినా వాడు మళ్ళీ మాన్యువల్గా టెస్ట్ చేస్తాడు. కానీ ఆటోమేషన్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ ఏం చేస్తాయి తెలుసా? అన్ని వెబ్సైట్ అని అవే HTML అవే ఉంటాయి, అవే ఇమేజ్లు ఉంటాయి, అవే హైపర్ లింక్లు ఉంటాయి. ఒక 10 వెబ్సైట్ని ఎలా వ్యాలిడేట్ చేయాలి అని చెక్ చేసి నువ్వు ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసిస్తే 11వ వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా అది టెస్ట్ చేసేస్తుంది మనిషిలాగా. మళ్ళీ కొత్త డెవలపర్ అవసరం లేదు. అలా వస్తే obviously the machine learning algorithms are more powerful than the human being. Yes or no? So that's a these are the very important, features of the machine learning, characteristics of the machine learning. Therefore, they are becoming more popular, more exist as part of your life. Yes or no? Whether human is existing or not doesn't matter. ఇంకా ముందు ముందు చూడండి, రైల్వే స్టేషన్లో వెళ్తే మనిషి ఉండడు, రోబో ఉంటుంది. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి? నువ్వు డెస్టినేషన్ చెప్తే టికెట్ ఇచ్చేస్తుంది నీకు. Then why human existing required? Because you are writing the program accurately. You are taking input. ఇప్పుడు అలెక్సాకి నువ్వు ఏం చెప్తున్నావు? అలెక్సా వాల్యూమ్ ఇంక్రీజ్. Till you say stop, it will be keep on increasing. The way how Alexa is taking accurate input from you and changing the behavior of an electronic volume. Similar way, see, Alexa is like you are giving input, right? In future, even we are now using in remote also voice assistants. Yes or no? If you say that, it will be translated into digital. Switches, fans, lights, all this we are using smart IoT. We are not involving more and more. You are not touching anything. Simply it is based on the voice. Every appliances of the home is controlling. It's like a machine learning. Clear? Yes. So now I'll be showing you what are the phases are going to be involved in a entire the process of the machine learning. Training phase. Firstly, the machine learning algorithm will get trained with respect to desired data, and then it will become the way how human is going to think, how the decision will take. In a similar way, the robotic algorithms will be learning the data, then model is going to be built. Model is nothing but it's an algorithm, we can say. It will take some parameters, then it will be tested. అంటే నువ్వు మోడల్ని రిలీజ్ చేసినావు అంటే ఎంత మాత్రం కరెక్ట్గా ఇస్తాను నువ్వు టెస్ట్ చేయాలి కదా. అల్గారిథంని డైరెక్ట్గా మార్కెట్లో వదలం మనం. You have to test it by giving novel data. సార్ ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలంటే 2 బ్లూటూత్ డివైజెస్ని మనము పేర్ చేయాలి. బై డిఫాల్ట్గా 0000 అని 4 జీరోస్ వస్తుంది. ఎంటర్ చేస్తే పేర్ అయిపోతుంది. సార్ నువ్వు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయాలి. నువ్వు 0000 ఇవ్వకుండా 111 అని ఇచ్చావనుకో అక్కడ పేర్ అవ్వదు, ఫెయిల్ అయిపోతుంది. అంటే ఇది టెస్టింగ్ ప్రాసెస్. సార్ సో ఎవ్రీ మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ అల్గారిథం హ్యాస్ టు బి బిల్డ్ by giving a novel data. It is able to detect that. ఇప్పుడు కరోనా వైరస్ ఉంది. కరోనా వైరస్ అని ఆ వైరస్కి కొన్ని సిమ్టమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇలా సిమ్టమ్స్ వస్తే అది కరోనా అని చెప్తున్నాను. సేమ్ అల్గారిథంని నువ్వు కొత్త ఒమిక్రాన్ అని ఆ వైరస్కి అప్లై చేసిన వర్క్ చేయదు. అది టెస్ట్ చేయాలా లేదా? నువ్వు కొత్త వైరస్కి క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ని ఇచ్చి కరోనాని డిటెక్ట్ చేసి ఆరోగ్య సేతు మీద వస్తే ఇన్కరెక్ట్గానే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. Positive, negative వస్తుంది, negative, positive వస్తుంది. Because that algorithm are made for specific purpose. If you test it so that it will give you how much, up to what extent of accuracy it is able to produce a result. Yes or no? So human is not doing like that. Recently I've seen one movie. అందులో ఎంబీబీఎస్ డాక్టర్ గూగుల్ యూట్యూబ్లో చూసి ఈ మనకి సడన్గా పెయిన్ వస్తుంది చూడండి, ఆ అపెండిసైటిస్ ఆపరేషన్ చేస్తారు. ఏముంది, బాడీ పర్సన్ చనిపోతారు. సో వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వచ్చి వాళ్ళ చెల్లెలు ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ చేస్తుంటారు. యాక్చువల్గా వాళ్ళంతా ఒక టీం ఉంటారు యాక్చువల్గా. సో అరే ఈ మూవీ రావు, భారతీయుడు 2, ఇండియన్ 2. హ్యావ్ యూ సీన్ దట్ మూవీ? ఇట్స్ వెరీ నైస్ మూవీ.
No, no.
Yeah, see once, it's very nice movie. I think it's Prime or somewhere it is. Netflix, right? See, I'll see the movies more and more because I do research. Because everywhere now, artificial intelligence techniques people are using. You have to see the movies more and more. Hollywood movies, thriller movies, horror movies, all these you see, right? Lot of things you are going to learn, which you are not going to learn from your academic. But if you see the movie, you will get to know. ఇప్పుడు దయ్యం ఉందా లేదా అని ఎలా డిటెక్ట్ చేస్తారు చెప్పు? ఒక మిషన్ ఉంటుంది.
Some machine, paranormal activity machine,
కరెక్ట్,
detecting
కరెక్ట్.
machine.
మన వైబ్రేషన్, మన సౌండ్లో ఒక వైబ్రేషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ వైబ్రేషన్, ఆ మామూలుగా ఉన్న వైబ్రేషన్కి, దయ్యం తిరుగుతున్న వైబ్రేషన్కి, ఆ సౌండ్లో ఒక డిఫరెన్షియేట్ ఉంటుంది. అది కుక్కలకి, గబ్బిలం ఉంటుంది చూసిన, వాట్ ఈస్ సే ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్? రైట్. So
Bat.
they have that, that what is can say, that capabilities that particular animal has. సో అలాంటి దాన్ని మనం ఒక సెన్సార్ని యూజ్ చేసి మనము ఆ మిషన్ని తయారు చేస్తాం. ఒకవేళ అది మనం తెలియకపోతే, నువ్వు టెక్నికల్ పర్సన్ కాబట్టి ఆ డివైస్ అలా పనిచేస్తుందని కనుక్కుంటావు. నాన్ టెక్నికల్ పర్సన్ అయితే నో సార్, నో. దెర్ ఆర్ ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ వేర్, ఇప్పుడు మీ ఇంట్లో ఆక్సిజన్ లెవెల్ ఎంత ఉంది మిడ్ నైట్ 12 o'clockకి? నీకు తెలుసా? అక్కడ ఆక్సిజన్ ఉందా, కెమికల్ ఏమైనా కంటామినేషన్ ఉందా ఆ ఎయిర్లో? నీకు ఎట్లా తెలుసు? నీకు సెన్సార్ తెలుసు, ఎట్లా తయారు చేయాలో తెలియదు, ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలో ఇంట్లో తెలియదు. అదే నువ్వు టెక్నాలజీ నేర్చుకుంటే అవన్నీ మనం ఇంట్లో అప్లై చేయొచ్చు, ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసి. సో దట్స్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు improve our learning capacities to the higher level technology, such that a lot of things we are going to learn. Yes. So as a whole, in the entire the machine learning process, how an algorithm is, there is a phase called as a training phase. We have to build a model by tuning the parameters. Then we are going to test up to what extent an algorithm is going to be accurate. Every algorithm is going to have a 5% of the inaccuracy. Every algorithm. ఎందుకంటే చూడండి, ఈరోజు మార్నింగ్ మనకి ఏం చేశారు, మొత్తం తెలంగాణ అంతా హాలిడే చేశారు. కరెక్ట్గా ఎన్ని గంటలు వర్షం పడింది ఒకసారి చెప్పండి? హార్డ్లీ ఒక 1-2 అవర్స్, జస్ట్ లైక్ తుఫాన్ లాగా ఉంది. కానీ వెదర్ ఫోర్కాస్టింగ్ చేసి వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్పారు? దెర్ ఆర్ హెవీ రెయిన్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు కమ్, నో స్కూల్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి రన్, అండ్ ఇట్స్ డిక్లేర్డ్ యాజ్ అ హాలిడే. బట్ వర్షం అంతా పడిందా? అంటే వెదర్ ఫోర్కాస్టింగ్ చేసే అల్గారిథం తప్పు కదా. అప్ టు వాట్ ఎక్స్టెంట్? దట్ అక్యురసీ ఇస్ మ్యాండేటరీ ఆర్ నాట్? ఎస్, దట్స్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ అక్యురసీ నీడ్ టు బి. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ టెస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు వర్షం ఎంతుంది, హ్యూమిడిటీ ఎంతుంది, క్లైమేట్ కండిషన్ క్లౌడీనా లేకపోతే విండియా లేకపోతే ఏంటి, అవన్నీ ఈరోజు ఇలా ఉంటే మన అల్గారిథం, ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ అల్గారిథం ఎంత అక్యురేట్గా చెప్పింది అంటే, నా గెస్ ప్రకారం 50-50. అంటే ఆ వెదర్ ఫోర్కాస్టింగ్ వర్క్ చేస్తున్న మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ అల్గారిథం 50% రైట్ చెప్తుంది, 50% రాంగ్ చెప్తుంది. విచ్ అల్గారిథం దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్? లీనియర్ రిగ్రెషన్ దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్, లాజిస్టిక్ regression they are using, Navi-based algorithm they are using, SVM they are using, or ensemble algorithm they are using, decision tree they are using. What algorithm they are using, we don't know. మనము ఈ అల్గారిథమ్స్ని అప్లై చేసి మనము ఇప్పుడు నేర్చుకోవాలి. సేమ్ వెదర్ ఫోర్కాస్టింగ్ డేటా మీద ఏ అల్గారిథం పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తుంది అనేది మనం చూసి దాన్ని అప్లై చేయాలి. ఇదే మీరు ఇండస్ట్రీలో పోయి చేసే వర్క్. సేల్స్ ఈరోజు పడిపోయింది ఎందుకు? దర్ ఇస్ అన్ అల్గారిథం, టైమ్ సిరీస్ అనాలిసిస్. So lot of things, I hope if we go through the syllabus, I just made a syllabus ready to you. I have sent you also that algorithms, lot of things we are going to learn. So once the demo is done, you have to learn the Python first. Then we are going to learn data science and machine learning. Clear? Yeah. So elaborated steps in each training and testing phase. Diagrams. We have to collect the data from various sources. We have to data wrangling, because data wrangling does when the data is collected, there will be errors might be exist that are going to be deleted from that. That process is called as a cleaning process or data wrangling process. Will we analyze the data whether it is applicable to apply the mathematical models or not? We'll train the algorithm and we'll be test the algorithm, and obviously we are going to deploy the model in the real world. ఇప్పుడు యూట్యూబ్ వెనకాల ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ వెనకాల మోడల్ ఆల్రెడీ డిప్లాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి మన బిహేవియర్ అంతా తెలుస్తున్నాయి. దిస్ ఇస్ ఎంటైర్ ద ప్రాసెస్ వుడ్ హ్యాపెన్. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్లో ఈ డేటా కలెక్షన్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి జరుగుతుంది, డేటా వ్రాంగింగ్లో ఏమేం ప్రాసెస్ జరుగుతుంది, డేటా అనాలిసిస్ ఎలా జరుగుతుంది, ఈ స్లైడ్స్ అన్ని చెప్తాయి యాక్చువల్లీ. సో Tarun, I think the demo is going to be closed because it is less than 1 minute. So tomorrow you just try to be confirm with me that what you are going to, whether you are joining or not. So I'll
Yes,
be
yes.
giving this particular slide to you. Please kindly go through them, try to understand them. So these are all practical things we are going to learn as part of the hands-on, because you don't understand all this by seeing the PPTs, because conceptually we have to understand. Obviously, practicals you are going to understand everything. Clear?
Yeah.
So a lot of use cases, have shown you. I think you will be get to know all this once hands-on will be given to you.